Today, the issues that we're seeing in the mobile handset are really the transition from 3G to 4G technologies and the number of frequency bands required to support the different requirements of capacity throughout the world. So now we're up to over 41 bands, and we see nearly 10 bands being supported in each handset. The addition of those bands is requiring a huge strain and/or technology improvement in the antenna, the RF switch section, PAs, and filters. Specifically, the switches is an area that has gone from a factor of 4 to 32 throws, so an 8x increase in complexity, yet the performance requirements are going from a loss through that switch of half, as well as a linearity of over 100 times improvement, or over 20 dB. There's several technologies that have been chasing it. Gallium arsenide, which is this historical incumbent, has been improving itself, but it has not been able to keep up with the size reduction. Silicon on sapphire, which is a technology we have launched and have improved 20% year on year, has been able to keep up and has now become the #1 switch technology supplier to the marketplace. And lastly, some new technologies, RF SOI, which have just entered the market and are showing some promise. One of the key advantages of our Ultra CMOS RF SOI technology is the resistivity of our substrate, which is sapphire. We build our CMOS directly on a sapphire substrate. Sapphire is single crystal alumina. It has a resistivity of 10 to the 14th ohms per square centimeter versus the best next competitive technology, which is HRSOI, which is an order of magnitude 10 to the 11th less, or 3 kilo ohms. The key measurements that you're looking for when you're trying to measure the performance of a substrate in an RF technology are the losses, the nonlinearities, the leakages. Those come into play specifically on a switch for the insertion loss through the device, the isolation you can maintain between the ports, as well as the linearity requirements of today over 70 dBm IP3 required, pushing 80 dBm for next generation systems.